Hello guys, today let's buy food at the vending machine. Let's go! Vending machine in Japanese, it's called Jiruhan Baiki. In the countryside area, most of the vending machines is selling non-alcoholic drinks and cigarettes. But here in the city, they're selling different various of frozen foods. Life here is very convenient. So watch this video. Mixed snacks foods, ice creams, dessert, coffee, alcoholic drinks, curry rice, curry. In the vending machine area, they also provide microwave oven, siupao and sweet foods, pasta, tonkatsu, ramen, sandwich, mixed cider, and many more. To order the food, select language and choose the product number. In a typical vending machines, they accept payment 10, 50, 100, 500, and 1,000 yen. So that's it. So shout out to all my viewers, followers, likers, sharers. Thank you for always watching my videos. 本当に皆さんありがとうございました。いつも動画見てくれてありがとう。また次の動画を会いましょう。バイバイ。またね。